Scalping in forex can be incredibly profitable, but using the wrong indicator can turn your strategy upside down. Want to know the best indicators for quick, profitable trades? Stick around, because I'm about to show you the top tools that every successful scalper uses. The first tool I recommend is the MACD. It helps you spot trends and momentum shifts quickly, perfect for fast trades. Next, we have the RSI, Relative Strength Index. This indicator tells you when a currency pair is overbought or oversold, giving you entry and exit signals. Lastly, the Bollinger Bands are fantastic for spotting price volatility. When price hits the upper or lower band, it often signals a reversal, ideal for scalping. Combine these indicators, MACD for momentum, RSI for overbought, chalk oversold conditions, and Bollinger Bands for volatility, and you'll be able to spot profitable trades in no time. Let me know in the comments which indicator you use for scalping, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay patient and happy trading.